Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to make a pig launcher, which is so fast. That's so nice. I've tried this before. So the ingredients are any type of glass, but I just picked black because it suits me. Then you put it like this until 3. Yeah, 3. Then correct 3. Yeah, 3. Then you spawn many pigs inside. The funny parts get there. Funny part, please come to me. Sorry, but I need to adjust something because I'm charging my laptop. Then it should look like this. Ah, we are done. To get the launcher, you also need cows inside, so that the pigs can be boosted up. Yeah, so that they can be boosted up. You need cows. And then here you break this glass. Then pigs will start shooting out outside. There, like that one. Dude, this is so funny. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, they're apparently shooting there. Then you can. Ooh. This can be done with baby pigs, baby zombies. No, not baby zombies. I get wrong, sorry. Baby cows only and regular pigs. Okay, this